The Chinese Communist Party is increasingly displacing the Islamic-influenced cityscape in Khotan, Kashgar and other places in East Turkestan. As part of the Chinese government's rigorous assimilation policy, mosques and butchers, operating in accordance with halal standards, are closed at will. Even bookshops with primarily Muslim literature are forced to close without further ado. The fact that the Chinese government is arbitrarily deporting both Uyghurs and Kazakhs, who are a minority in East Turkestan, to internment camps is undisputed in the world public opinion, despite China's opposite assurances. International media now report how even Turkish citizens are being imprisoned in Chinese concentration camps. The Republican People's Party of the Turkish parliament asked Foreign Minister Çavuşoğlu if he could comment on the whereabouts of the Turks who disappeared in China. The murder of dissident journalist Khashoggi at an Istanbul consulate continues to weigh on relations between Turkey and Saudi Arabia. Authorities are now detaining two alleged Arab spies who, according to TRT, have been spying on Arabs for the United Arab Emirates in Turkey. A connection to the deed is being examined. Iran has detected around 290 CIA spies in various countries. Subsequently, US intelligence set up a committee to assess and process the incident. All foreign ministers of the Arab League met in Cairo last Sunday to discuss in detail the deal of the century peace plan of the United States. According to the Lebanese newspaper Al Jumhuriyah, a land exchange between Egypt, Israel and the Palestinian territories is at the heart of the US mediation plan.